Welcome to this camera comparison video of the iPhone X and the Leagoo S9. Both have a dual camera setup, but totally different price points. Let's see how they compete right after the intro. The iPhone X has two 12 megapixel sensors with one wide angle and one telephoto lens at an aperture of f1.8 and f2.4 and sells for $999 on Apple's official website. The Leagoo S9 has one 13 megapixel and one 2 megapixel sensor from Sony with an aperture of f2.0, and the phone sells for $129 on Leagoo's official webshop. In the next minutes, I want to compare some photos taken from the same perspective with the internal camera apps without any changed settings right out of the pocket. All photos were taken on a bright and sunny day, and I will just leave you with it for now. Alright, in the background you see a video example with the Leagoo S9, and here are some night shots as well. In my opinion, they are not worth to get compared, as it's already obvious that the S9 can't really compete with the iPhone X. Let me know what you think about the photos taken with both phones in the comments, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos like this on my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.